Hey, Kara, professional Ikea hacker here. 2-minute video, a short one. Lots of questions come in or proposals for to do Ikea hacks, and the question of suitability is this product. Can I do this? Can I take this product and build this? And they send me an image, something that's that inspire them to undertake a project. So, So what I want to tell you is this: I cannot answer all these emails, or I cannot go through and visit through all these different things. So what I would say is the best way: experiment. So don't invest in the entire, don't be purchasing the entire piece. Instead, go to the as-is section, which is a gold mine, absolute gold mine. Hundreds of pieces from different products. You can pick, you can try the joinery, you can try, you buy one, the one they want to work with. You buy it and you take it home and you experiment with it. So you paint it, you do any applique, you glue things onto it. You can even try attaching moldings, nail it down, right? Experiment. How am I going to be attaching all these decorative elements onto this piece? Okay, so that's a quick and easy way and an expensive way to give you an idea, will this work or not? Sometimes those, a lot of Ikea pieces are designed for weight, so they're big, thick volumes are actually, it's a high-end sandwich of let's say 8-inch MDF, a honeycomb, and another 8-inch MDF, which it doesn't hold any nails or screws at all. You can maybe glue to it if you sand it down. So that's what I said. Do some experiments. And based on that, you'll know, can I do this or can I not do this? Okay, so experiment. Go to the as-is, buy the piece, $5, $10. Do the experimentation. Screw onto it, nail onto it, paint it, decorate it. Let it sit for a little bit. It will give you the right idea. Is it suitable or not? Okay. I gotta go. Ciao.